Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button to be sure you see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as it hits the lot. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of this or a full description of this particular unit or anything else we have in stock, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're featuring a brand new arrival 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum Series with all the bells and whistles, extended version, four-wheel drive. And on the front, we're going to just get going. You notice we do have your front monitoring system located on the front bumper. A really nice feature when getting into them tight areas, downtown in a tight parking spot or whatever it may be. Factory 22-inch Ford, nice aluminum wheels, wrapped in a Michelin tire. And this Michelin tire has plenty of tread depth, life left. It's just a very nice tire and wheel combo. As you can see, it is the Platinum Edition like we did say. And on the driver's side, along with the passenger side, which we will show that they do work, it does have the really nice power foot or step-up bars, as you can see there. Shut the door and up it goes. This vehicle is diamond black in color, beautiful, beautiful color in the sun, and it does have the factory backup sensors located on the rear bumper, along with your towing, your tow hitch, your 7 and 4-pin wiring hookups back there. This vehicle does also come equipped with a backup camera. And like I said, it is the EL edition, so it is the extended one. Just a really nice overall vehicle. Hard to find with this low of miles and this good of shape, especially in that Platinum series like this one is. I don't know if there's any option this thing does not have. This particular vehicle does have power folding side mirrors, along with power mirrors, as you can see, power locks, power windows. Power seating with power lumbar. It also has capability of memory seats up to 2 people. Program your seat at a certain position. You could be 1 and your wife could be number 2. Have it in a different position. Great feature to have in a car. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, these bottom 3 buttons right here for your cruise control, and this square of buttons located right here is for your instrument cluster located here on the left-hand side of your speedometer gauge. Right now it's set on miles per hour. It can be changed to a bunch of different things. Really nice feature to have. And then as on the right-hand side, on the other side, on the right-hand side of the speedometer, it's set on the radio, and that one can be adjusted to a numerous of different settings, and that's located right here. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, under the square, you're going to have all your controls. One's for your volume, and then your other 2 are going to be for your Bluetooth capability. So you can program your phone directly into this vehicle. Simply hit the phone button, and you have your conversation directly through the speaker system. Great feature to have. This particular vehicle does have push buttons start-stop, so you simply leave your keys in your purse. You don't have longer to worry about carrying them, with remote start also, so it will start by the key fob. Factory trailer brake control, nice feature. As you can see, it does have auto 4-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low feature. Very large touchscreen radio with AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, CD capability, and USB. This particular radio is a touchscreen radio, as you just saw, and it does have factory navigation system built in it. Dual climate controls on this particular unit. It also has an auto feature where you can set the temperature at whatever you may want to set it at. Forget it, it'll simply keep the interior temperature at that temperature. Right under the radio, you do have the controls to operate your volume on your radio, and also to change your channel with your presets located here in the center. This particular vehicle has AC and heated seats with 3 settings, a high, a medium, and a low for the AC and also the heat. Right under that, you have your dual climate controls that can be operated down here also. So it can also be operated in your radio, along with down here. With plenty of storage, little cubby hole located up there with your cup holders. Nice armrest. So you do have 2 cup holders here, and then 2 cup holders located right behind your armrest. And in this armrest, you do have a small storage compartment with USB plugs built in there. This particular vehicle does have universal garage door openers. Simply program your garage door openers directly into this vehicle. You no longer have to carry them. And a power sunroof. located right there. Passenger seat seems to be in very good conditions. I don't see any rips, tears, or nicks. This particular vehicle does have WeatherTech floor liners throughout to protect your flooring. Front and rear, as you can see, there's the WeatherTechs all the way to the rear of the vehicle. And as you can tell, it does have the captain's seating here in the center. And with the captain's seating in the center, you are going to get your heated captain's chairs, which is a really nice feature with your rear audio system, your AC 110 volt, and your DC charger port located right there. This particular vehicle does have dual rear DVD monitors, one located on the back of the driver's seat and then one located on the back of the passenger seat. As you can see on the rear bench, it is in very good condition as the rest of this vehicle. And that rear bench is a power folding bench. So if you need to add more storage room to your rear of the vehicle, which I'll show you here in a second, that can be done just simply by pushing the button. Power rear tailgate also, with plenty of storage. And to power fold it, there's simply these buttons located right here. Power shutting also. And again, this is a very nice 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum Series EL, so that gives you the extended model, 22-inch factory wheels wrapped in a really nice Michelin tire with plenty of tread depth left. It has a power sunroof, it has navigation, touchscreen radio, Sirius XM radio capabilities, it has heated seats, cooled and ventilated seats up front, and then the heated center seats in the back of the van or the SUV. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals just like this one as soon as it hits the lot. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific unit or a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERYCHRYSLER.com. And for the guaranteed best price on any newer pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.